Hello guys, today I'm here with this waste paper, and out of this I'm gonna make a teddy bear. So the objective of my activity today is how we reuse the waste and also how we utilize our time in these quarantine days. Hope you will enjoy the my activity, I should say, um, in the sense like how I utilize my time. Hope you'll enjoy. So now let's start with rolling this up. A smooth roll is needed, and then you have to glue it. Glue it all, and then we need a lot. Okay, we need a lot, and then after this, the second process is to press this. Okay, flatten this. You need to flatten this because later on, once you roll it, um, you know it'll be difficult for you if you didn't compress it. So you just flatten it. um, the sample will be like this. Just flatten it. You need to flatten it. So that is the second process, and then the third process, you need to glue it. Okay, glue it again. In a sense, this flattened piece, is glue it. Okay, you wait for some time, and then this is, you will get like this. Okay, try to make it as long as possible. So the first thing, okay, you have rolled everything and then you have glue it, um, but now what you need to know is, now you have to imagine your teddy bear, how big the size of the teddy bear should be, in your mind. So as for me, um, this will be the ear of teddy bear, the head size, the leg, the hand, and so on. So now I have to roll it. Okay, to roll it, first, let me give you one suggestion. Now you have rolled it this, but this is very small. Okay, so you need a bigger one to first roll, because when you roll this small rolled paper, or the rolls, I should say, pepper stick, I should say, this is, to roll it is a little bit difficult. So you take a bigger one so that there is no gap. And yeah, let's start it rolling. Let's start. My head is in the right side. So this is how you roll. You try to compress it. Make sure that there's no gap. And this is my first trial, okay? I'm not expert in this, but I'm just giving a trial. Let's see. This is how we rolled. And then this is size, and you also need to glue it in between, okay, so that there is no unnecessary movement in between in the process. So I'm rolling this for the body. You glue it. It's a big size. Let's color it. Start. This should be the air. This is the head. This is the hand. This is the leg part. Hope this is okay. So this is teddy bear made of paper.